I think it's really a case of great marketing. So many of you have used this particular serum and come back to me and said how it's completely changed your skin. I don't understand why the INNISFREE Black Tea Youth Enhancing Ampule is not a cult favorite, but the Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum is. The INNISFREE Black Tea Youth Enhancing Ampule can actually transform your skin. It can make it brighter, smoother, younger, tauter, tighter, and very, very gentle. The ANR, I kept thinking I should buy it, but it is such an expensive product. So before buying an expensive product, I thought let me do an ingredient comparison. If you look at the INNISFREE Black Tea Youth Enhancing Ampule, the ingredients are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you look at the star ingredients for the INNISFREE, you've got anti-acne ingredients like niacinamide, lauric acid, antioxidants, you've got glycerin and adenosine, which are both very good in maintaining the health of the skin. Along with that, it's got glycerin, squalene, sodium hyaluronate, hyaluronic acid, ceramide NP, which means not only are you getting hydration, but आपको ceramide NP से your barrier is also getting a boost because ceramides help maintain the barrier very well. And जब barrier अच्छा होता है skin का, we don't get things like acne, pigmentation, uneven skin tone because it's able to maintain and the hydration level of your skin, right? So it's got those. Along with that, it has got allantoin, camellia, sinensis leaf extract, which is black tea, which are calming and soothing for your skin. Now, why is niacinamide one of the star ingredients in this? Niacinamide, yes, it helps in controlling sebum on your skin, but it also helps in hydration of your skin. It helps in fading. So niacinamide is continuously fighting and making sure that whatever uneven skin tone you might have developed because of excess UV radiation damage, or if you have a pigmentation problem, or if you have age-related uneven skin tone, it helps in lightening all of that. And it's doing that fading along with the hydration that makes your skin plump, smoother, younger, tighter, tauter, and also calm. When your skin is calm, the skin doesn't get that uneven skin tone because there's just one color on the skin. It's not looking red or grey. I have used this serum for years together, and now a lot of you have started using it and absolutely love it. Let's see what the Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum has. The Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum has a whole lot of ingredients, but when you look at the star ingredients, it doesn't really have much. It's got a lot of moisturizers and humectants, as you can see here. It's got perfuming. I don't have a problem with perfuming at all. I love fragrance. But the thing is, it's not directly making your skin better, healthier, or younger in any way, but it's there. It's got one antioxidant. After that, whole lot of other ingredients which are emollients. It's got a lot of emollients like squalene and a whole lot of other ingredients. Now, if you understand ingredients very well, being a part of the channel, you'll be very, very quick to pick on the fact that the Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum has got a lot of hydrating and emollient ingredients, right? So you get good moisturization, you get good hydration, but doesn't have a lot of active ingredients. It has lactobacillus ferment, which can help in maintaining the health of your skin, with the flora fauna of your skin, but is used more as a preservative over here, right? So it will have the effect on your flora and fauna, but it will be so low in percentage in the ingredient list that it cannot be considered as an active ingredient. It is hard to find a good active ingredient in it, right? So why are you spending so much of money on just a great hydrating serum? Now let's look at the product claims. For these product claims to be really true, they need to have supporting ingredients in the serum. Well, the brand claims that it has got this chronologue spar signal technology which is patented, but there is no third-party validation whether this really works and makes the serum as magical as the claims are. If you look at the promise that the serum makes, it says it has new antioxidant power, not worth 6,000. It gives you massive hydration, which a simple hyaluronic serum can do. It strengthens the skin barrier. Well, that's really happening because there's so much of hydration from the hyaluronic acid. And it has an oil-free texture. Okay. In 3 weeks, the lines and wrinkles appear reduced. That's because of the massive hydration and the emollients that this product has. 88% women said the skin looked more youthful. It would. There's just so much of hydration and moisturization. But the fact is that if we were to stop using it, and that's going to reduce the hydration and moisture in our skin wouldn't have healed or actually become younger, or the wrinkles actually become smoother, or pigmentation really faded because there are no curative actives in this serum as compared to the INNISFREE serum, which actually have actives that are going to act on the skin and cure it over a period of time, along with giving it hydration and moisturization. The INNISFREE serum, on the other hand, promises you help with dryness, dull skin, overall skin condition, and skin texture and sensitive skin. And as we discussed earlier, it has actives for all of those. It also helps improve the skin by removing the skin's fatigue and create a protective barrier. Well, we know that it has enough emollients and humectants to do just that. There's also the argument that ultimately what really matters is how does the formulation come together. But for the formulation to come together, also it needs to have some kind of active ingredients that are going to deliver on the changes, right? And now we know on the science that it delivers, right? Those 6-7 ingredients are what's delivering us the magic. You see, a lot of times when we see a lot of hydration and moisturization, plumpness, glow on our skin, we feel that our skin is actually better. But what is only thing that's happened is that our skin has become plump, packed with water, so it's looking healthy. But in the long term, all that it's doing is giving us hydration, but there are no active ingredients to actually improve the health of our skin or to cure the skin, which is also very important. So if it's a question of hydration and moisturization, then why are we spending 6,000 rupees on a product when 2,500 for 30 ml, you can not only get the moisturization, the hydration, the plumpness, smoothness on your skin, but you also have the power of the 5-star active ingredients that we discussed. Let me know what your views are. It's never easy going against an industry favorite, but I really feel that the Black Tea INNISFREE Youth Enhancing Ampule should be the cult favorite. For more on this discussion, I'm going to meet you in the comment section.